let's go on to the next thing. Makeup. So last time I was at Sephora, I was picking up like the little, what do they call it? The little applicators and stuff, like if you want to try on a product or test the product. But what I was trying to show you, I'm looking through my makeup, oh my god, I'm spilling my brushes. What I was trying to tell you was that sometimes if you want a specific brand's mascara and you don't want to buy it yet, but you want to test with the brush, here you go. I went to Ulta and there was a mascara there that was for your bottom lashes. And sometimes I just take this little brush and I dip it in my own mascara and do the bottom. It's a Kat Von D sample makeup thing. So this is one that I took at Ulta. You can just pick them up, like they just have them in little trays in front of the mascaras. And this is really cute. This was just a tester one, but you can dip it in your own mascara and try it on, because sometimes the mascara like formulas aren't super different unless they say like specifically like this is waterproof or this is something or whatever. So if you have a favorite mascara, sometimes just to get a different effect you need a different brush. So go pick up different brushes. I feel like it's Ulta that does that and not Sephora. So go to Ulta or whatever beauty stores you. If you see these things for free, pick them up, take them. Go to Sephora not to buy things necessarily, but to look for things, because that's what I do most of the time. I go there, I look, I see what's coming out, what's going to be on sale, which is never. Try to find things that is like fitting for you, try out your products, test out some things, go home, look elsewhere on the internet and see if they have them in better prices or at different stores, and if the price is better at Sephora, just order it online at Sephora and have it shipped to your house. I know it's not as exciting as getting it that day, but sometimes it's worth it. So also, when you're doing your makeup, make sure you use a really good primer. That is essential. So they have all sorts of primers. Some primers affect the way your makeup goes on or makes it look like if you want it shiny or dewy or matte or whatever. My favorite primer was at Sephora that they had. Now I'm forgetting what it's called, but no. That was my favorite primer that I've ever had in my whole life. The Hangover Effects one. That was my favorite primer that I've ever used in my life. I really liked that, and I had a couple primers come in my Etsy bag that were brands I didn't really know, but there was one I really liked. I really wish I could remember it, but still didn't live up to the Hangover one, but it was a different formula. It was more like a jelly type thing you put on your face, and it really went a long way, and it really smoothed out everything and went in everything. The way to test a really good primer is to get an orange peel, because it has a lot of imperfections and bumpiness and stuff. So get an orange peel. I don't know if you eat oranges or whatever the poop. Just save it. I don't know. Use it as potpourri during the day. I don't know. Take it, put some primer on it, and then put your foundation on top of that, and it should make it look smooth. Because if you were to put your regular foundation or whatever on top of the orange peel without the primer, you would still see all the little bumpy things on the orange peel. Like if you put primer on, it'll smooth it over. I've been so sad because I've been using this primer. I got this in my Etsy bag, so I've been using it because I don't want it to go to waste. It's mattifying primer, and when it says mattifying, it means mattifying. It's crazy. It's like, I'm gonna make your face matte. Intense. You don't have to use a lot, but it's really smooth. With your eyebrows, get a spoolie at least and just brush your eyebrows out neatly. If your eyebrows are really unruly, then tweeze them, because then you can just get like the little spots. That's what I do, you know. I go in my eyes with a powder and a spoolie brush, but they also have like, you can use gels and pomades and all that stuff, which I feel like that's for like those people that are like really into makeup and they're like super good at it. That's not for me. But I just have one of these brushes from Sephora. It's a slightly angled spoolie and an angled brush on the end. Then they have stuff like this, which I reviewed in my last video that I personally didn't like, but it's nice. It's just, the brush is on the top, and it'll be, most of the time if it's the brush that came with it, it'll just be like this, and it's not angled, so that sucks. But I guess you could just use an angled brush if you have an angled brush, and you do want to use a thicker thing like this, because it's a lot thicker. And also they have like eyebrow pencils. The thing with that is that most of the time they're like really intense, and it's like, draw on your eyebrows. That's what my grandma does, but her eyebrows look nice. She's not heavy-handed with it. I just use a mineral shadow. It looks black on camera, but it's like really can fill everything in, and it looks nice. Ooh, eyeshadow alert. Girl, what you got on them eyes? Eyebrows, you need to just, that's easy. I mean, fill in your eyebrows. It makes a lot of difference. Like, there's a time when I didn't fill in my eyebrows and I just looked kind of, I looked younger. I look younger with my hair short, first of all, so I gotta fill in my eyebrows so I have some even out. Ooh, eyeliner, this is fun. Since we were just looking at my eyes, I have 1,000,000 eyeliners that I keep in a bag. 1,000,000 eyeliners. But I use them all for different purposes. I finally found a use for this new Sex Kitten by Tarte. This one, I found a use for it. I use it for tight lining. So tight lining is important, especially if you don't like a whole lot of eyeliner. Tight lining would just be, you lift it up and you would, you know, run the thing down here, blah blah blah. You have to do it lightly though, and make sure your eye doesn't water. If your eye does water and you're new to makeup, it's fine. It'll stop watering after a while. I've been wearing makeup since like the 6th grade, but I didn't start wearing eyeliner until like, I want to say 8th grade. You get used to it. It's been years now. I'm fine. Some people will tell me, like, they're like, I don't wear eyeliner because my eyes water. And I'm like, girl, you gotta keep it up. Train your eyes. So the best eyeliners for people that are kind of new to it, I started out using retractable eyeliner. This is the ColourPop eyeliner. I love this. I love it so much for a casual day if I don't want to do like a wing. You twist them and they go up and down. So there's no need for a pencil sharpener thing. These are the kind I've been using since 8th grade, and sometimes you can get a nice wing out of them, but it'll be like something small. They go on really smoothly. It's like really soft. You want to get a really soft one, a really smooth one. So this one is a pencil type. And you see you have to sharpen this kind, and sometimes they get kind of flat and they lose their shape and it's kind of gross, and that sucks. I tend to use these more for my bottom line, just in the corner. You want to be careful doing your bottom line. Like, go on Pinterest, look it up. There's like different, you know, reasons that people put. I have big eyes, so to make them a tiny bit smaller, I just put it in the corners here. Liquid eyeliner, this is not for beginners. This stuff is crazy. One time I got liquid eyeliner in my eye and it burned to high hell, or to low hell. Oh, hell is that? Who cares? It burned like I don't know what, and I was in my bathroom like crying and freaking out, and I was like, I don't know what to do. Yeah, so this is not for newbies. You don't want this. On the subject, there's a little symbol, if it wants to focus, right there, and that says 12M. That means 12 months, and after 12 months you need to replace it, throw it away, because there's all sorts of bacteria growing in there, and you don't want that. You'll get an eye infection. Also, speaking of eye infections, don't share your eyeliner with people. Don't share your lip liner, your chapstick. You want herpes? These are some more retractables. Retractables are great. You can get them in all different brands. Like, this is Beuaty Conjure Waterline in Intense Black. They come in different colors too, so that's fun. My favorite, like, if I was gonna tell a beginner to get some eyeliner, would be the retractables, or these kind. I don't know what the poop. I guess these are called felt tip. Like, this is such a pretty. This is a pretty eyeliner. It's just, you know, like a felt tip, kind of like a felt tip marker. You know, you put it on, and it offers so much control because, you know, it's in your hand, kind of like a pen. And you can just kind of go in there with your eyeshadow. That's how I get these perfect lines, you know. I use this one today because this one's really small. And when you do your eye makeup, instead of tilting down and looking, you need to look more up and then do your eyeliner. I'm not at a good angle, but you know, this is kind of what I mean. Do it more up so you can get, you don't want that gap here. You want a nice precise line, use these. They come in different thicknesses. Thick and something. They come in different sizes. I have these right now, and you know, they're all different. You know, you get what you get. You can get a lot of different ones, a lot of different brands, a lot of different colors, and I've never had a problem with them. I mean, I guess I would recommend, if you're just starting out, to use the retractables, because they're not gonna make your eye water as much. These still do a little bit, but they help you get a really precise line, and that's what you want. Don't use liquid eyeliner for that. A lot of times, sometimes like you still have to keep your eye closed with a liquid eyeliner when you put it on, because sometimes you'll like open your eye and then you'll get like a little black line in your crease of undried eyeliner, and that sucks. That used to happen to me all the time, but also I didn't wear eyeshadow primer. I'm dropping things. I also didn't wear eyeshadow primer when I was a kid, so that's part of the reason that happened, because I would wear like the retractable things, and sometimes you do need to put on an eyeshadow primer for that. So yes, you need a face primer and an eye primer. I use Mary Kay's eye primer. I don't use a whole lot of other ones, just because I have a lot of Mary Kay products, and my friend gave me her big Mary Kay bag. It's a big bag, okay? Oh my god. Let's talk about your lips. Lips are simple and easy. Everybody knows what lip balms they like. I really like lip scrubs, like especially like if I'm in the shower, because you know the moisture in the shower, your lips are gonna be soft. You can go use a scrub. A lot of lip scrubs are like sugar and like oil. I made one myself one time with like just sugar and coconut oil. Lush has really good ones, and like I said again with the natural thing, don't put stuff on you, especially lip products that you wouldn't eat, because girls eat pounds and pounds, tons probably of lipstick in our lifetime. It's crazy, you know. So I use a lip scrub that's made out of sugar. Lush has really good ones. I think they have a popcorn flavor, a peppermint flavor, and a bubblegum flavor. The bubblegum is my favorite. It's either bubblegum or cotton candy. It's pink. Tastes so good. I've gotten some in my Ipsy bags before. I've talked about them in my videos, but lip scrubs are great because they really exfoliate your lips. And yes, you gotta exfoliate your lips sometimes because you don't want crusty lips and you don't want guys to kiss you. Not that I'm kissing guys, because I'm not doing that.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
after you put on your, you know, do your lip scrub, you can lick off the sugar and then put on your favorite moisturizer and then put on your favorite lip products. Right now I'm wearing a Revlon lip butter. I don't know what color it is, but Revlon has really, really good lip colors and lip products, and like their lines have like this vast array of colors. There's a color for everyone. My favorite is this like pinkish purpley color, and it has something to do with candy. I think the line that I like, the Revlon lip butters, are like, they're all named after some kind of like candy or something. There's one like called like souffle and like all this other stuff. I think the one I'm wearing now is called souffle, but you know, whatever. They have really good lip products. There's liquid lipsticks, which I'm not a super fan of because I don't like super bold, like weird lip color things. I tend to stick to like pinks and stuff. The lip butters are great because anything that's called a lip butter, it's not like a lipstick. It has like a moisturizer in it, so you put it on and the color will stay on. But there's also a moisturizer. I put on MAC lipstick and it's not a moisture one. I have to put on like chapstick or some kind of thing under it and then put it on, and I feel like it takes away from the color. And that sucks. Got a lot of lip products in my Ipsy bag, so you know, sign up for Ipsy or Birchbox or one of those fun things.